Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It feels so good to be back. I feel like I will keep saying this for the next few videos, and today we are going to be talking about some postpartum items that I got and I really liked, and what I liked about them and what I don't like about them. So if you're pregnant or if you're expecting very soon and you want to get some items, this video is for you. So make sure you stick around and watch till the end. I'm talking breast pump, postpartum belly belts, breastfeeding pillow, beds, and some items that I got from Temu. So if you're new on the channel, you're welcome. And yes, do not forget to click the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. And let's get straight into the video. So I made a list of things that I actually want to talk about that were very useful to me, and these were things that I was really contemplating if I would need them when my baby gets here. And actually, let's see what I think about them. So the first one is breast pump. I'll be putting pictures here and like just videos of when I have used this particular items. I am currently 3 months postpartum, so yes, these are items that I have used or not used for the past 3 months. So the first one is breast pump. So I like this breast pump here, but there are a few things I would change. So it has like this is the pump pin, and this you connect to a power bank or a charging source, right? And then I just put a picture for you guys here, and it comes with two bottles so you can pump from your two breasts at the same time, but it comes with one cover and one titer. I don't know if that's the right word. Let me just show you guys what the pack looks like, right? So this is it. So I got it from an Instagram vendor. It was a gift from my mom. And we got it from an Instagram vendor. I think about maybe 30 or 35,000 naira. I'll put the actual price on the screen. I actually like it, but another thing I'll change about it, like I said, is it comes with just one cover, like just one of this thing. So if you pump in both bottles, you need something to cover the second bottle, which I feel like doesn't make sense. Another thing is if you're pumping with this particular breast pump, you can't move around. You have to be seated. And for the first time I used it, I was like, why is nothing coming out? But then again, I went on TikTok, and TikTok is actually your friend. And I got like some suggestions on how to make your pump, like your breast milk, come out more. And it was very helpful, which was dipping that flanges in hot water and rubbing coconut oil on your breast, which actually helped. And yes, it's been very useful. The next thing I want to talk about is this breastfeeding pillow. Honestly, it was also a gift, and it's from this brand. I am more something something. It's also from an Instagram vendor, the same place I got this pump from. And I would say that I have not really used this because you have to like strap it to your body and you now put baby on to breastfeed. I feel like it's a lot of ceremony before like actual breastfeeding. Then it has like this bottle holding thing here. Honestly, it's a good accessory, but it's not something that I find very useful. It just helps you with support. Also because I gave birth to cesarean section, it was kind of difficult for me at the first few weeks to breastfeed. And since after the first months, I've not really used it. But recently, I've been using it for my son to like support him just when I want to put him down. So it's useful in that aspect too. So I would just say if you don't mind, you can get it. I'm not sure what the price is because I didn't get it like my by myself. Like I said, it's a gift. The next thing I also want to talk about is a gift. So it's this postpartum belly bed. I love it. I love it. I feel like this is one item that I have really used. So it comes with three different belts. So it has this very big one that supports your back. Oh my god, this thing is so good. Then it has this small one. Then it has this medium sized one. And oh my god, they are so good. It's in fact it is very good. It helps me during like my cesarean section healing. I didn't start using it until about 6 weeks though, like 6 weeks after delivery, right? So I really like this party. Like I love this. So I use it like on just like random basis on days when I feel like I don't use it every day, but on days when I use it, I feel the effect, the support on my back. It is very, very good. I also feel this is one of the few things that helps me with my snapback, like my tummy. So the next thing, let me return this. The next thing I want to talk about is car seats. And there were a lot of, is it necessary? Do you need it? This is Nigeria. It's not compulsory. There are a lot of talks around car seats. And again, the car seat that my son has was a gift from one of his aunties. And the first time we put him in car seat was the day we were coming back from hospital. I think that was the fifth day. And I'm sure the guy was like, "Excuse you." So he didn't use it on the way coming back from the hospital, but subsequently, when we're at home, I'll just put him in the car seat so that he can get used to it. And now he uses his car seat, except when I don't want to put him in it. So he uses his car seat. It's also for safety for your baby. You don't want to keep putting your baby on the hand when you're in the car. So yes, if you can get a car seat, get it. If baby does not like it in the first few weeks, it's absolutely normal. Just make sure you keep putting baby to it and baby will get used to it. The next thing I want to talk about is like one of the most used item that I have, and is my baby carrier. I got it from Temu, and I got this way back since December, and this baby carrier is so good. I really, really like it. It supports me, it supports baby, and I use this for like my evening walk with baby, and I use it for as long as 1 hour, and there's no back pain, there's no tummy pain. So another thing, also because I had cesarean section, I didn't start using it until about 4 weeks or 5 weeks, if I'm right. I'll put pictures here for you guys to see. Once I put my baby in his carrier and we step out of the house, give him 5 minutes, 10 minutes tops. He's asleep. He sleeps well in it. I'm able to strap him well. I'm able to like it's very comfortable. I even use it in church. So that is another thing that I really like. I'll put a picture. I don't have the direct link, but I'll put a picture. It's just something you can search on Temu and you can just buy. It's also very, very affordable. Another thing I want to quickly talk about are the clothes I got for my baby from Temu. They are actually very good. All of the clothes I got for him from Temu are very good, good quality. They are not cotton, but they are good quality. Even the blanket he's using to sleep now is from Temu. I got her like onesies. So most of the things I got for him from Temu were 0 to 3 months, and he's actually still wearing them. He literally just turned 3 months a few days ago, and he's still wearing them. Another thing I want to talk about is baby bed. When we were shopping for my baby, there was a lot of you don't need bed for your baby. You can co-sleep. Oh, co-sleeping is not good. You need bed for your baby. There was so much going back and forth. but we decided to get baby bed, like cots, as you guys can see in the background. And one thing I learned is babies do not get used to what you don't put them to, right? So right from the hospital, I had requested for a baby cot. He was sleeping in a baby cot. When we got home on the fifth day, he started sleeping in his cot, like straight up. He was sleeping in his cot. Till now, he sleeps in his cot, except for days when I just want him by my side and I put him on like the big bed beside me. But 90% of the time, he's in his cot, sleeping because that is where he should be. It's also good for their own safety because I remember the first time my baby slept on the big bed with us, I literally put my legs on him. So it's not safe for them to sleep in. Co sleeping is not safe. And I mean, there are people that actually co sleep their baby and nothing happens, but I'd rather him sleep in his bed. So that's it. If there's any other thing that I feel like I need to talk about or I need to review, I will talk about it in upcoming videos and upcoming vlogs, and that is why you should subscribe to my YouTube channel because we are in for an exciting ride. Anything postpartum, motherhood, I am your girl. Also, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. My email, my Instagram, like just you know how to do it. That's it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching this particular one.